Welcome friends in this video. Today we are looking off-grid system. We have please show at this side. Today we are going to discuss about the off-grid system which have consist battery, that is lead acid battery. Also we have charge controller and some DC load. In the form of load we have two bulb of each having each capacity of 7 watt. So right now we are going to test the output of this system. Also firstly we want to discuss about the off-grid system concept, which have one PV panel placed on this roof having capacity of 40 watts polycrystalline module. Also the 12 volt 35 Ah lead acid battery pack. We have one charge controller having capacity of 10 amps. 10 amps current can be drawn through the load side. Also, as we know, what is the role of charge controller in the off-grid power system? So the basic responsibility of charge controller is to provide the appropriate charge to the battery, so that battery cannot fluctuate the input power for the charging purpose. So if I connect this multimeter to the solar input, means our plate is continuously provide the power to the charge controller for charging our battery pack. Please close your camera at charge controller, please. So here basically three outputs, as you can see. Not three output, one is input. The first input is from the PV panel, that is a capacity of 40 watt. So two output is here. One is for battery charging purpose, and another is for load side. So right now we are going to test the PV panel output with the help of this multimeter. As you can see, we can measure the voltage or current with the help of this multimeter. So simply we want to connect this two probe to the charge controller terminal of photovoltaic input. As we know, red is stand for positive and black is stand for negative.
चालू कर मल्टीमीटर चालू तो कर.
Firstly we want to set the voltage level. We are going to set the probe of this multimeter at the 20 volt DC power. Our meter is showing some voltage, that is 13.86 volt DC power. 13.86 volt DC power, as you can show in the camera. So this is any PV module voltage. So right now we are going to measure the battery voltage. Yes, right now battery getting charged with the help of PV module. We are going to connect the probe of this multimeter to the battery probe of positive and negative. Actually the battery voltage is 12 volt, so that's why near about 12 volts definitely there is a tolerance between something 2%. So our meter is showing the reading of 13.04 DC quantity, 13.04 volt DC quantity. So this is any voltage we are right now charging our battery pack with the help of PV module. So right now we are going to test our load by simply switch on our load. We can we switch on our load? Definitely yes. So you can see our light getting glow and having capacity of 7 watt DC power. Also we are going to switch on the second 7 watt LED bulb load. As you can see, second load is also glowing with the help of this battery pack, and battery pack charged by PV module. So guys, right now we are going to show you how PV panel is exposed by sun. Please stop this video, and the second